First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. As your educator, I know that for many students, the word exam brings a mix of dread and intense pressure. All your hard work, all your study hours culminate in those few critical moments. But what if you could walk into that exam hall feeling not just prepared but truly confident? What if you had a clear strategy for revision and for the test itself? Today, we unlock that confidence. This is Exam Ready, Mastering Revision and Test Taking Strategies. Effective revision isn't just rereading notes. That's passive and inefficient. You can refer to episode 8. Here's your blueprint. First, active recall is a king. Don't just read. Test yourself constantly. First, use flashcards for definitions, formulas, dates. You can test daily. You can use apps like Anki for spatial repetition. And blurting. What is blurting? You read a topic, then close your book and write down everything you remember. Compare it to your notes. Then you teach it. Explain a concept aloud to an imaginary student or even your pet. If you can teach it, you understand it. Second, spatial repetition. Don't cram. Review material at increasing intervals. Tough concepts need more frequent review. This is why daily first 10 from episode 1 is powerful. Third, you can practice papers under timed conditions. This is non-negotiable. Find past year papers for SPM, CPM, IGCSE, A-levels that readily available in Malaysia. Stimulate the exam. Set a timer, not distraction. Use only allow materials. This trains your brain for the real environment and exposes time management issues before the actual exam. Then you can review thoroughly. Don't just look at the score. Analyze your mistakes. You can refer to episode 3. Where did you lose your marks? Was it knowledge or execution? The big day arrives. Here's how to maximize your performance during the exam itself. First, the read all questions rule. Before writing anything, spend the first 5 to 10% of your exam time reading every single question. By this, you can identify easy questions for confidence boost. Then you also can identify tricky ones to mentally flag. Allocate time before you start writing. Don't spend 40 minutes on a 15-mark question or leave a 25-mark question blank. Then you deconstruct the question. Highlight keywords. What is the question actually asking? For example, discuss the impact is different from explain the causes. Don't dump everything you know. Answer the specific question asked. Third, the mind dump for anxious moments. If your mind goes blank or you are feeling anxious, maybe you can refer to episode 2 on managing pressure, take a deep breath. On a rough paper, quickly write down every formula, key term, or concept related to the topic. This often jogs your memory and reduces panic. Then, last one, you can manage your time ruthlessly. Stick to your allocated time per question. If time runs out, move on. Partial marks are better than no marks. Then the exam is over, but the learning isn't it. Don't obsess, but do reflect. After the exam, resist the urge to immediately discuss every answer with friends. That often leads to more anxiety. Then the learning review. You can refer to episode 3. When the results come back, don't just look at the grade. Go through it. Use the 2-step feedback analysis. First, knowledge gap. What concepts that do you still not fully grasp? Then execution error. Did you make silly mistake? Time management issues? Misinterpretations? This review informs your strategy for the next exam. Every exam is a practice for the next one. Actually, exams are opportunities to demonstrate what you know. With systematic revision, smart test taking, and a commitment to learning from every experience, you can walk into any exam hall feeling prepared, empowered, and ready to excel. Thank you for tuning in to Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mind podcast. Next week, we are helping you to stay motivated and inspired with staying motivated, fueling your academic drive. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.